It is an honor to speak today about a technology that is reshaping multiple industries: drones. Once considered futuristic, drones are now an essential tool in sectors ranging from security and mining to cartography and mapping. Their ability to reach difficult areas, collect real-time data, and improve efficiency has made them a game changer in these fields. Drones in security is one of the most critical applications of drone technology. Drones provide real-time surveillance, threat detection, and crowd monitoring, significantly enhancing safety measures. Law enforcement agencies and private security firms use drones to monitor large areas quickly, reducing the need for manual controls, provide aerial surveillance during public events, ensuring crowd control and identifying potential risks, respond to emergencies by delivering essential supplies, or assessing danger zones before human intervention. Border and perimeter security, where drones patrol high-risk areas and alert authorities about intrusions. With AI-powered analytics, modern drones can detect suspicious activities autonomously, making security operations more proactive and efficient. Drones in mining and construction. The mining industry has greatly benefited from drone technology, particularly in site exploration and surveying, reducing the time needed for ground assessments, mapping mineral deposits with high-resolution imagery and LiDAR technology, ensuring worker safety as drones inspect hazardous zones without exposing personnel to dangerous conditions, stockpile management, providing accurate volumetric measurements of extracted materials. In construction, drones assist in project monitoring, site inspections, and structural integrity assessments. By reducing manual labor and increasing precision, drones help companies cut costs and improve productivity. Drones in cartography and mapping. Traditional mapping methods often require manual land surveys that are time-consuming and labor-intensive. With drones,